Hay fever is killing me, man, all my days. I'm literally out here dying. There's literal tears coming out of my eyes right now. The weather touches 24 degrees and the plants just start killing me. I look like a mess. My eyes are hurting. Why is the hay fever in my ears? Like, this is not even a joke, like, I swear. Like, I'm struggling to operate. Pollen, who even created it? People say it's childish, but I'm literally getting assaulted by plants. I didn't give myself this on purpose. I don't make the rules. Do you think I'd be sneezing uncontrollably if it was up to me? The answer is no. Always my life. But anyway, don't just sit there and follow me because I know you don't follow me, but